TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 12 noon Eastern time on Thursday, middle of the trading day, and we got quite a market in front of us, that is for sure. We'll start things off. All markets now in positive territory. That's after the Dow is substantially lower. We got the Dow now up 19 points, trading at 25,034. You have the S&Ps up 27 points. That's a solid 1%, trading at 2707. And the NASDAQ leading the way up 115 points, or 1.6%, trading at 72.95. We're right in the thick of earnings season. We're going to start it off with the futures charts. We'll start it off with the Dow. Session lows made just after the opening bell, about 9:45 this morning. We were trading at 24,800, and as you can see, we're almost 200 points higher to get into positive territory in the Dow, trading 24,973. NASDAQ, the leader, quite a different chart. Talk about an acceleration to the upside. You have the NASDAQ 100 trading at 69.33, just off session highs made a few minutes ago. S&Ps, pretty similar to the NASDAQ, not quite as strong, but S&Ps up about 1% on the day. You have S&Ps currently trading at 27.05. Gold contract peaked above 1330 briefly this morning, just prior to 9 a.m. You have gold backing off a bit, trading at 1326.34. Crude oil, little rocket ship there, trading higher above $55. You have crude trading at 55.18. And Euro US dollar backing off a bit. We got the Euro trading at 114.55. Lots of news stories out there for sure. We'll start it off with some of the earnings stories. Facebook last night beating their earnings, meeting with what investors had been looking for in terms of delivering on numbers, regardless of the sentiment out there around Facebook. We'll jump over to that chart in a moment. You have Facebook up about 12% today. General Electric surging as much as 18% as they crush their earnings as well, taking in $33.3 billion for the quarter. Tesla shares in a bit of a seesaw action left and right all around as they come in with decent numbers, but towards the end of their earnings call, Elon Musk announcing that their CFO will be leaving the company, and analysts did not like to hear that. And Intel naming their interim CEO as their permanent CEO today in the market. Not sure that they like that one as well. Microsoft with their numbers last night as well, down 1.7%. We'll jump over to Intel on that news, down about 2.6%. GE, there's your surge, up now about 15%. And Facebook up 12%, and after the bell today, Amazon up 2.8%, 2.9% ahead of their earnings. Stay tuned, folks. Basil Chapman coming up right now. Have a great Thursday.